Come on, like who's really competing with my hair?
This my shit talk.
I'm so fly, I lift off.
Follow my lead, don't get lost.
Pedigree different, I'm a big dog.
Hustle every day like Ray Rock.
Alright, so we're starting in step 1 where the hair is washed and set. If you want to see how I got my hair to this, you can check this. It'll be in the description box below. So let's get started. So we're gonna wait till the hair gets a little bit more dry first, because it's really damp. So let's just wait till it gets dry and we'll be back. Alright, so we're back. So we're gonna get started by, detangling. First we're gonna go in with, of course, the tea tree oil, right? We're gonna go in with the tea tree oil so that we reduce frizz while we detangle. And while I detangle, I will be, watching H.E.R. 3, 2, 1. Let's go.
Wish I could be where you are. I know the distance is far. I've been running through your mind. Promise that I'm on a flight going to you right now. I don't have much time with you tonight. I've been going, I've been focused. Just be with me in the moment. Trust me, I know how you feel right now. Baby, that's just what it is right now. Just stay with me, right behind you. And I'm trying to make the time to, baby, that's all I can give right now. Maybe that's just what it is right now. Yeah. Baby, that's all I can give right now. Maybe that's just what it is right now. I'm on the road. I've been in and out of time zones. I keep missing your calls. You were sleeping by the time I got home. I'm sorry you didn't get a chance to hear me. I've been going. Baby, that's just what it is right now. Just stay with me, right behind you. And I'm trying to make the time to, baby, that's all I can give right now. Maybe that's just what it is right now. I've been going, I've been focused. Just stay with me in the moment. That's what it is right now. Stay with me, right behind you. And I'm trying to make the time to, baby, that's all I can give right now. Maybe that's just what it is right now. Sorry you didn't get a chance to hear me. Oh yeah, sorry you didn't get a chance to feel me. Yeah. Oh, I'm going. All right. What's up, everybody? I'm so excited to be here. This is like a dream come true for me. I feel like Tiny Desk is the best way to experience your favorite artist. Not that, I'm your favorite artist. But maybe, me being here today says a lot. I'm very excited. And yeah, this is my band, Dream Come True. Like I said, we're going to play a couple songs for y'all. I don't know if y'all got that prelude, but if you know this song, please jam with us. While I'm up late night, my phone's so dry, no good night. I'm tight cause I'm paranoid, I can't sleep, you're still mad at me. It's not that deep, we've been here before. Oh, I hate when you do that shit. Oh, please stop bringing up the past shit. Oh, tell me I'm being irrational. No, you're in your feelings, but all I know is don't make me feel away. 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 Yeah. Don't make me feel away. 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 Pray crazy, but you made me like that 2 a.m. I thought you was on the way. It's your fault, I played my part. Don't start that talk like you ain't plan to stay. Oh, I hate when you do that shit. Oh, please stop bringing up the past shit. Oh, tell me I'm being irrational. No, I'm not dealing with you. All I know is don't make me feel the way. 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 Don't make me feel. Don't make me feel. Don't make me feel the way. Don't make me feel. Don't make me feel the way. Don't make me feel the way. I've been trying so hard not to go off, but you're trying me. Trying me, yeah, yeah. I've been trying so hard not to go off, but you're trying me, trying me, yeah. Don't make me feel away, away, yeah. Don't make me feel, don't make me feel away. Alright, so I just dropped another project. It's a little preview to my album, which I'm super excited about. And the song goes like this. Wanna believe what you say, but I hate you on most days. You've been testing my faith, my patience, yeah. And you know that I be headstrong, but you know that you be dead wrong, telling me to relax when I'm reacting. But I'd rather fight and lose sleep at night. At least you're on mine. And if I have to choose my heart or you, I'm gonna lose, yeah. What if nothing ever will change? Oh, I'm caught between your love and a hard place. Oh, I wish there was a right way. I'm caught between your love and a hard place. Yeah. Do I even have a choice when I'm gonna have to pick my poison? How you hurt me so good, so good. And even when you cross tears, you're the one who wiped them away. stay. I'd rather fight and lose sleep at night. At least you're on mine. And if I have to choose my heart or you, I'm gonna lose. What if nothing ever will change? Oh, I'm caught between your love and a hard place. Oh, I wish there was a right way. I'm caught between your love and a hard place. Whoa.
Alright, so I'm back. These are the results for my hair right now. You see it's really curly and everything. Everything is all out. You can't, well, so there's a way of elongating it because it's like, it's this length right now when it could be all the way down here and really stretched out. So the banding method, you know, right here in one of my old videos, I'm going to do it again so that it's more, you know, poofy and elongated. So stay tuned because I'm going to show you the end results, the end results, you feel me? And, you know, shout out to Black History Month because, you know, where would we be if it wasn't for our ancestors, you know, paving the way for us black people with curly hair. So let's just take a minute and, you know, set the tone. And, you know, I'm going to snap into my setting with the after image of the banding method and, you know, more exemplary tone for Black History Month. So let's go.
Talk.
I'm so fly, I lift off.
Follow my lead, don't get lost.
Pedigree different, I'm a big dog.
Hustle every day like Ray Ross.
You see the drip, I drip sauce.
Hey.